It's just before dawn of a beautiful summer morning. Hams from the Mount Diablo Amateur Radio Club leave their homes and head for the 4,000-foot-high mountain that their club is named after, Mount Diablo. Today is the day of the annual competitive horse trail ride organized by the Concord Mount Diablo Trailride Association.
And the kids can talk to you. They talk about what's happening in the water. You also learn a lot about
John Cam, 6QX. Yeah, we're just heading up to the old horse clubhouse. Gonna go circumnavigate Mount Diablo. Trevor, you're real scratchy. Are you on handheld? I'm on a rubber duck on a handheld.
Partway up the mountain, a sign points to the Trailride Association clubhouse. As the sun rises at the staging area outside the clubhouse, riders who have spent the night on the mountain are preparing for the 50-mile ride.
I've got combo set of ribbons in there.
In the clubhouse, there's a nice hot breakfast for the ham radio operators and the other volunteers.
Oh, I started about 4:30 with the help of these kind folks.
Movie time.
Morning, guys.
Have a built-in radio so we can talk to you?
Yeah.
The team of hams that'll be providing safety and emergency radio communications today plan out radio assignments and routes that need to be taken to get to those assignments.
Take a break, yeah. I don't think there's any problem getting people. I just wanted to give everybody here a first choice. I want to see how many of you guys want to.
The radio team discusses which frequencies will be used today. The club repeater will be used for parts of the event, and simplex frequencies will be used for other parts. Backup channels are also chosen in case of problems.
Clear. Okay, very good. Is the best way out there to follow the trail, or was there another way? No, everybody on the road today. Okay, very good. W6JU.
As the trail ride begins, hams drive in their vehicles over roads and dirt trails to the checkpoints that riders will be passing through. Accompanying each ham is an event organizer or a judge or veterinarian. The judges score the riders for their handling of various rider challenges. The veterinarians evaluate and rate the condition of the horses at special checkpoints called P&R stops, P&R standing for pulse and respiration.
Okay, yeah, we just got word that the ambulance has bad brakes, is in Fairfield, and has been canceled until further notice, so...
The event organizers use the ham radio operators to communicate various kinds of information, such as about the progress of the ride, about missing or injured riders, about horses that have pulled up lame and need to be transported back to the staging area, about distribution of supplies and equipment, and about the positioning of judges and veterinarians.
Point riders and for the riders when they come through.
And, well, here's Stuart. Let him explain what his question is.
Licensed hams can allow non-licensed persons to transmit on their equipment using ham frequency bands as long as the ham is standing by to monitor and they identify themselves with their call sign.
Stu, it's Sue.
Go ahead.
Mary Russo's supposed to be on her way up there. Apparently because they got a late start, she's not there yet. But she's supposed to be going up there to be the gatekeeper.
Okay, fine. I thought I saw a vehicle coming up the hill on the other side.
event such as this one, with rough and wooded terrain and hams on the move in vehicles, radio communication is generally operated under an open net system rather than a closed net control system. This means that stations call each other directly as needed, instead of communicating through a centralized ham acting as a hub or net control for input or output of information. One of the main reasons this event is operated as an open net is that there is no one position from which all the hams can be heard, even with the use of the club's repeater. Therefore, most communication is done using a simplex frequency, and messages sometimes have to be relayed among 3 or 4 hams to reach their intended destination.
Joe down there. Joe, can you, do you have the, that 14754 frequency on your radio? Okay, everybody is copying here real well on simplex already, so let's all switch to this channel 3 on my sheet, 147.540. This is KM6QX.
Most of the radio operators are using either mobile radios installed in their vehicles with outside antennas, or handheld type radios transmitting through mag-mount antennas on the roofs of their vehicles. There is also some use of crossband repeating between handheld and car radios. Crossband repeating allows a ham to be away from the car with a handheld and use their car radio as a local repeater to boost incoming and outgoing signals. As the day goes on and riders progress on their 50-mile route, they continue to pass through checkpoints and pulse and respiration stops. Their horsemanship abilities are judged, and the strain they are putting on their horses is evaluated. The riders lose points for putting undue strain on their horses.
Hydration is poor. Put down buddy left. Anybody left. Mucous membranes are okay.
Stop it.
Capillary refill is 2. Okay. Trot down all the way down the side.
Hams who began their day at the break of dawn complete their work by late afternoon as the riders arrive back at the clubhouse. Hams have provided necessary radio communications to ensure coordination of the event and safety of the participants.